Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss about the immune system cells and their functions. Basically, immune cells, commonly known as white blood cells, these are the component of blood that are essential for the protection of an organism from infectious and other diseases. The immune cells, which include neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, mast cells, dendritic cells, natural killer cells, macrophages, monocytes, B cells, and T cells, and etc., develop from undifferentiated hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow. Many of these cells migrate to distal organs and tissues. For example, like spleen, thymus, and lymphatic nodes, where they mature into specific functional immune cells capable of fighting infections. Monocytes are a type of white blood cell, part of the innate immune system, and play a crucial role in defending the body against pathogens and foreign substances. There are many functions of monocyte, but few of them are given below. The first function is phagocytosis, where monocytes engulf and digest foreign particles like bacteria and viruses, aiding in the clearance of pathogens from the body. Second function is antigen presentation. Antigen presentation is a process and present antigens to activate T cells, initiating adaptive immune responses against invading pathogens. Number third function is cytokine production. Monocytes secrete cytokines such as interleukin 1, TNF alpha, and interleukin 6, which regulates inflammation and coordinate immune responses. The fourth function is in tissue repair. Differentiating into macrophages, monocytes contributes to tissue having by clearing debris and secreting growth factors. Neutrophils are also a type of white blood cells, part of innate immune system, and play a crucial role in defending the body against pathogens and foreign substances and infections. Neutrophils play a crucial role in phagocytosis, in which they rapidly engulf and destroy pathogens such as bacteria and fungi through a process phagocytosis, playing a key role in the initial immune responses. Second function is chemotaxis. Neutrophils migrate towards sites of infection or inflammation, guided by chemical signals, ensuring they reach areas where their action is needed most. The third function of neutrophils is in respiratory bursts. Neutrophils generate reactive oxygen species during the respiratory burst, which enhance their ability to kill engulf pathogens. Okay. Eosinophils are also a type of white blood cells, a part of the innate immune system, and play a crucial role in defending the body against pathogens and foreign substances. There are also so many functions of eosinophils, but few of them are given below. The first function is parasite defense. Eosinophils combat parasite infections by releasing toxic granules that damage parasites' outer membranes. The second function is an allergic response. Eosinophils participate in allergic reactions by releasing histamines and other mediators, contributing to inflammation and tissue damage. The third function is modulation of inflammation. Eosinophils can secrete cytokines that regulate inflammation, influencing the balance between pro inflammatory and anti inflammatory signals. And the last function is in tissue repair. Eosinophils aid in tissue repair by releasing growth factors and interacting with other cells involved in wound healing.